Page 13, polka, another polka dancey. So you sort of know what a polka is by now, I hope. Let's take a look at this. This is 1 page long, treble bass clef, 1 flat in the key signature, so it's either an F major or D minor. This happens to be in D minor. That's okay, do the scale on arpeggio for both, F major and D minor. If you don't know them, 1 octave up and down is good enough. Learn them first. Just get in the habit of playing B flats when you're in this key. Okay. And 2/4 time signature, again, 16th notes, 1 and or 1 and 2 and. So it's 1 and 2 and. And remember the 3rd measure, that C sharp is good for the rest of the measure. So all of those C's are sharp. Rest. Measure 8, we do a thumb because this puts us in position for measure 9. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E. I like that fingering, that works very well. Left hand, just broken chords. And I use, well, you can do this. If you don't want to be up here in measure 2, you can do a 3-2. I don't know how big your hands are. But measure 3, I do a 2 on that one and a thumb on those, both. It's easier. You can do that if you want. I find it a bit awkward, so I just do that. Then I put them together in here. Make sure, like in measures 2 and 4, you have the rest in the round. Rest. Make sure you lift up for the rest. So I'll put the hands together, and then I'll go back over it just a couple, 3 measures at a time or whatever, and get rid of the hesitations. Keep it slow, no hesitations. And once the hesitations are gone, I'll add in the articulation. The slurs, staccatos, accents, flexing here, light here. Accent, just a little louder. See underneath the 2nd measure, it says sempre staccato. Remember, sempre means always. Staccato means keep doing the staccato. They didn't put dots on all of them. This is just another way of doing it. Just pretend there's dots on all these notes in the left hand except the last beat. Then just all the way through. The accent a little louder. Now in measure 10, lift up. It's a new phrase. Lift up. Yeah, the left hand staccato. Okay. Then once the articulation is in, then I'll think about the dynamics. And this applies to the melody, which is the right hand. It makes those accented notes a very loud note. This in the background. Soft. We're going to echo that. That makes the accented note just a sort of soft. Huh? 3rd line is loud, and the last line starts soft and gets louder. Measure 13 soft, then get louder. Now we're loud. Don't get loud until the end of the measure 14. And then finally the speed. Allegretto is between moderato and allegro. It's got to be accurate, and it's the feel of it. It has to feel allegretto, and the 16th notes slow it down a little bit, because if I go allegretto, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. That with the 16th notes, that's just fast. That's just blech. It's got to slow it down some. After this. The 16th notes, like in the 3rd line here. How fast do you want to do that? And that's going to be your allegretto. You make it yours. You don't have to take it at that speed. You remember the natural accents? 1, 2, 1, 2. Wow. Accents help to throw it off just a little bit, because the natural accents want to be on one beat and they add accents on another. It throws it off. That's another way of syncopating it. Measures 11 and 12. Make sure you have a little accent on each beat. Practice it slowly that way and exaggerate them if you have to. This way it keeps the run smooth and even, because then you... Now that's for practice. And when you play it, you just feel these accents. You don't force them, unless it's an accent in the music.